Talking about components. So when we create anything that might be consistent across your site, components do get a lot more in depth, which we aren't going to go over quite yet. We'll talk about that a little bit more when we go through prototyping. But when I do call these components, these are elements that are going to be appearing throughout the site. So things that we might be reutilizing. So we have arrows, we might have a navigation button, we might have some iconography, our progress buttons, our indicator to show whether we have a picture, maybe it's a location map, maybe we have a camera, a search, etc. Instead of constantly copying and pasting and referencing those around your document, it's really valuable to just create a random size artboard. So you just go ahead and use this and you can just create any size here. Again, just make sure you appropriately name it. And then, whoops. And then once you get started, anytime you need to pick up a common element that might appear throughout your site, you can always just go over here and do a quick copy paste. You might also want to go ahead and reference those kits that you'll find in the module. You can also download some. You can go ahead and Google XDUI kits. But this one here is quite valuable. I think it'll probably be quite useful for when you're building your site or your wires. There's a whole bunch of iconography things already set up here. You have some arrows, um, navigation. So you can go through here. There's a little profile button, etc. You could go ahead and grab those, copy, and then just pop them in there and paste. Again, that's just so you have a nice quick reference to be able to jump over and grab those common pieces.